Good afternoon. Welcome to
Minute Math number 12.
Math number 12. So I'm not feeling so great today, but I think we can still do a little math video. This is one of our Minute Math videos. It's from the Mathematical Association of America, and this is from a high school math contest. I forget which one it is, but about half the people got it right. So should we give it a shot?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. The average of 20 numbers is 30. And the average of 30 other numbers is 20. What is the average of all 50 numbers? Okay, do you think you can do this problem?
Yep.
All right, give it a shot.
So average means that you sum up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers.
Right, okay, very good.
So we can multiply 30 by 20 to figure out the sum.
Okay, the sum of which numbers?
Of the first 20 numbers.
Okay, so the sum of the first 20 numbers is what?
Is 3 times 20, which is 600.
Okay, so maybe you should write that down. Okay, so the sum of the first numbers is 600. Is that the 20 numbers, their average is 30. So average means add up the numbers, divide by how many you have, so divide by 20, and you get 30. So you're right, the sum of the first numbers is 600.
So
okay.
We can multiply 20 by 30, but that's also 600.
Okay, so what does that mean?
It means that sum of second numbers is 600 as well.
Okay, great.
So that means sum of all the numbers, I may be off camera, but I'll just write it down here.
I just write it down there. I'll double check where you are.
1200.
Okay, the sum of all the numbers is 1200. Okay, now move over to where I was sitting. So the sum of all the numbers is 1200. So what does that mean?
It means that we have to do 1200 divided by 50.
Okay, awesome.
So we can cancel a 0 right here.
All right. And so 1200 divided by 50 is the same as?
120 divided by 5.
120 divided by 5.
Which is 24.
Okay, so write that down. Good job. Okay, now, let me ask you a question real quick. What's the obvious wrong answer? If this was on a math contest, what answer do you know for sure would be a choice?
50. Well,
not 50. The average of 20 numbers is 30, and the average of 30 numbers is 20. What's the average of all 50 numbers?
Well,
you know what the obvious wrong answer is?
What?
25. You'd say, oh, well, you know, these numbers add up to 30, and these other numbers add up to 20, so when I combine them all together, the average is probably in the middle. So the obvious wrong answer is 25. But you did it exactly the right way. Actually, you did a great job on this problem. Mid-5. Go 5. Good job, sweet. This is a good problem. So you were in the half of the people who got it?
Right.
Right. Very good. It's good to be in that half. Good job.